Alright guys, welcome back for another video here today. Today, as you guys can see, we're working on the RPF ones, which I still have. Don't you guys worry. A lot of you guys jumped the gun and thought I sold these. I'm not really too sure why. I told you guys in the video that we're just getting these repainted, getting a new look on them. So I already got the paint for them. Today is going to be basically, hopefully we'll get these things prepped, painted, and cleared all in this one episode. Ryan, what's up? How you living?
Great.
Chilling.
Happy New Year.
Oh, Happy New Year to you as well. Almost got stuck coming in. Had to give her some clutch and little ride here and just helped out. Appreciate you. First step, we got to prep these, get these ready for paint. Yeah. So okay, since Ryan pointed this out, when we got these demounted, the tires demounted, got a bit of carnage here. I gotta fix all this for sure. For prepping, where is it? Where is it? I think I got me, oh hey now. I got me something somewhere. Yep. So we got some paint stripper here, however, I'm not gonna, I have like the in-can soupy, goopy stuff that you spread on. This is just some aerosol stuff. We'll kind of see how this works. It says 15 minutes, it peels up all paint. So, I mean, if this works how it says it does, this is gonna be super easy and super painless. Just to give you a quick little comparison. Now, ideas being thrown out and about here. We got old Rye here. Giving us the idea that we should paint the inner barrel black. Now that is a fantastic idea because if you look here, if I painted these white, you know how bad that would all look? Real bad. You know, it's like it gets all rusty from the brake rotors and stuff like that, so we don't really want any of that. Honestly, it's gonna be a whole hell of a lot more work, but I mean, that's just kind of how it, but it'll look a whole lot better, and that's kind of how we roll around here. Looks like my wheels froze over. You guys can't even tell on camera. Got a little frosty. Woo! Man. You guys are under the age of, I don't know if it's 21 yet, I don't know, but you gotta be an adult to buy this. Alright, so this 15-minute stripper is more like infinity minute stripper. I was trying to come up with something clever, but I couldn't. What I'm trying to say here is that it sucks. As you can see, I mean, I guess it kind of ate away at something, but I definitely have to do it again. Like, it's all kind of scaly now. You guys can kind of see that. So, I mean, this is gonna take hours and hours and hours. So, you guys don't want to see me mess with this stuff. I'll catch back up with you guys when they're all clean. Yep. You know, you think I'm about to, you know, maybe you guys think I'm about to tell you we're done, you know what I mean? Let's toss some paint on here. Negative. Literally have been working on the same wheel since 4:30 this afternoon. And guess what? Still not done. Whatever this crap paint stripper was, don't buy it. I'm gonna go tomorrow to Lowe's on the way to the shop because hopefully I'll be here back again bright and early to finish these and actually get them painted because for sure, I gotta paint my hood tomorrow because tomorrow's Thursday. Car starts getting wrapped Friday night, and I still gotta take it apart. I gotta do some body work on it. A lot going on. The coating on this and the amount of work it takes to get it off, unreal. Unbelievable. I want to see like smoke coming off these wheels. Like that's the kind of stripper I need. What a just waste of a day, honestly. Hopefully tomorrow we'll have some better luck. Now you guys may be asking yourself, hey Calvin, why the hell didn't you just sand them and prep them and just go from there? Haha. Well, turns out this finish actually is about 2 millimeters thick. So if you think about it, paint actually, if you use 1 can of paint on a wheel, that can, all that weight is pretty much on your wheel. You know what I mean? So it adds up. So I'm feeling, if I were to just stack paint on here, these are lightweight wheels, I'm trying to keep them that way. So we take everything off, so that's kind of like, I guess, the mindset behind it. It's definitely turned out to be a whole hell of a lot more work. They better come out absolutely insane, which I have confidence they will. I'm trying to think of a way to maybe do a little spoke design and kind of separate some colors, but we'll kind of see. That's kind of, I don't know. I wish I could use Photoshop so I can kind of figure stuff out how it looks, but yeah, we'll think of something here. Oh man. Alright, so it's the next day, guys. We're continuing work on these wheels. However, we ran into another bit of a speed bump in the road. First off, it took me about half hour, 45 minutes to dig myself out of getting stuck this morning in the driveway, so that was a great time. Now I walk in to my heater, perfectly fine, turns on, not a problem, starts heating the place up, was super excited about it because I was freezing. All of a sudden, shuts off. Oh, that's weird. So now the damn thing doesn't stay on. The pilot light was out, relit it, cool. Flicked it on, was heating up, boom, shut off. Checked it again, pilot light was gone. try relighting it again, and the pilot light will not even light anymore. So, and it's just not ideal timing. Like, this is just, especially with everything going on, like the car is getting wrapped, starting to get wrapped tomorrow. And if we can't get heat in here, that's not happening. You know what I mean? Like, we can't wrap a car in 30-degree weather. And tomorrow, or Saturday, it's supposed to be a high of 0 Fahrenheit. So, oh man, got me some different type of paint thinner, paint remover type deal, multi-layer stuff, so we'll kind of see how that works. Also went ahead and just used like some saran wrap, kind of packing wrap stuff, just to kind of maybe hold the moisture and stuff inside a little bit better. But I'm gonna go ahead and spread some paint thinner on the rest of the 3 wheels here, and hopefully I'll probably chill around for a little bit just to kind of see if anything happens to them. All right. Oh man, progress update. I've been here for, I don't know, a few hours. However, this stuff right here, a little bit better. To get these sandblasted like correctly so they don't leave any pitting or whatever, it's like $80 a wheel. Yeah. Not really trying to blow, you know, $400 almost just to get these cleaned up. I gotta stay here, guys. There's so much to do. There's so much to get done by tomorrow. Just keeping you guys updated. It's coming off, but I mean, there's just like 4 layers of paint. Woo! These things better look fire when they're done, though, man. Better be insane. All right, day 3. However, we're done. You know what I mean? I'm calling it quits for right now. I gotta admit, man, I definitely kind of sort of regret doing this. I almost wish I just went and got these sandblasted. However, it's about $80 a wheel, like 60 to $80 a wheel. So definitely save some money, but man, bit of regret in the air, you know what I mean? Bit of regret. So for what's going on today, I'm gonna go ahead and just start prepping the car, disassemble the whole thing. You know what I mean? Just get this thing ready to where it's prepared to let some vinyl. We have to actually clay bar the whole car as well. Hopefully you guys understand that if I don't film too much today and just kind of it's more time lapses or just kind of getting stuff done, I'll let you guys know what I'm doing and then we'll go through it. But I just want to get stuff done today. We're a little bit late and behind schedule, so I don't want to stay here too long because we'll be back here bright and early tomorrow morning. So. Alright guys, so while we're waiting for the bond to dry up, I'm going to go ahead and get to clay barring. I actually made a video on this if you guys want to go back and check it out. Super straightforward, you know what I mean? Just do it so we get a nice, adhesive, solid, clean bond to the vinyl. I don't even know if you can see me. Hopefully get this done within about 30 minutes, so cue the music. Alright, so we got the clay bar stage all complete. Now is going to be the kind of somewhat painful stage. However, sometimes you got to take a step backwards to take 2 steps forwards, guys. So, before we disassemble anything, by disassemble I mean take the bumpers off, the fenders and stuff like that, the trim, I'm going to go in with a sander. Yes, some sandpaper. And as you guys can see, I have some spots in my paint that I have like little chips that have been, oh, it's so smooth, by the way. It's amazing. It's like glass now. So we'll go ahead and sand some of these chips away. We have some stuff here in between the door and the fender. And, you know, just kind of everywhere here and there's something we kind of have to address. So that's what we'll go ahead and do now, guys. I'll kind of set you up on every panel I'm working on. And let's continue those time lapses. Just wanted to touch back with you guys. Let's keep going. Just figured I'd kind of show you guys just how much there actually was to do on this fender. I mean, at first glance, before I even touched it, you never would have thought that I would have to sand pretty much, you know, all up here, all in the corner, down here. Like, look at all that, man. And I'm still not done. I'm gonna go ahead and yank it off, and then obviously I'm using some 220 right now. I'll go ahead and finish it with like some 400. I don't really know if it's even necessary. How did I do that? You guys are interested in these? Awesome carbon fiber cooling panel. That too, but B pillars, guys, G2 Carbon, check them out. Instagram, G2 Carbon. Tell them I sent you. Alright guys, so, man, it is just after 1 in the morning right now. And yeah, so I am not going to be able to finish everything. This hood, I definitely warped it. No doubt about it. Really trying to get that sorted out, but man, oh man, like, I got kind of one fender going, kind of prepped, halfway done, haven't touched that fender at all. This side is pretty much almost complete. I can't lie, it was kind of painful to do all this, man. Like, I had to go pretty hard back here, and it's just because there was like a little bit of a textured finish down at the bottom portion, so we went ahead and sanded that all smooth. I'm gonna ask my buddy if we need to go ahead and sand it with like some finer stuff. 220 is considered fine. Kind of see how it just, man, it kind of hurts me to see this car like this. Like, it doesn't even feel like this is my car anymore. Definitely still is, and it's gonna be a whole lot better, guys. I'm so stoked for this, man. I know this video was kind of boring, and I do apologize for that. Unfortunately, things with the wheels just didn't turn out because I planned to have this video. I honestly just, I planned on having the wheels prepped, primed, painted, clear coated, all in one video, which obviously that was not going to happen. So, bear with me, guys. Tomorrow, like obviously you guys know, today, technically, we are wrapping the car, and it's going to get wrapped within this weekend. So, that's the plan, at least. That's my buddy's gonna be here. He's like the end-all, be-all rapper, man. He is such a good vinyl rapper. I'm so blessed to have him with me on this build because I mean he's also a good buddy of mine, so it's kind of like a win-win in this situation. Man, like it's crazy seeing the car all apart, and I mean it's gonna get a whole lot more dissected here eventually once the car's wrapped. Then we're gonna kind of basically start over again and yank the motor out and just continue to just expand and grow and build this car. Make it basically like the best 240 possible. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for sticking in with this one. Again, I apologize for making this one not too exciting. However, a lot of stuff is coming, guys. Like I said, wrap tomorrow, and then also tomorrow, the biggest build ever is gonna be coming. You guys do not want to miss it. The hype is so real. I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully, it will be in the next couple days or so. Things are happening. I know you guys see it. Thank you guys so much for the support. My Patreons, you guys are awesome. Your support has been killer, and it's been helping out more than you guys even know. Also, just a quick heads up for those of you guys who are still here. We have stickers getting made, well, not getting made, stickers getting designed right now, and then if you guys are a silver member or higher, well, as of right now, silver is the highest, you guys get a free sticker every time there's a new design. So remember that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Stay tuned, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter. I'm repeating myself. Too late. I'm out of here. Later.